I'm feeling, I am feeling it. Hey. Whew. Does anybody feel like they just took like a fire hose to a teacup and their teacup is their mind? Right? I am feeling that way too. But it's that, has anybody ever heard of the concept of hard fun? That's the fun that's exciting, it's great, and you're exhausted. But if you're asked to do it again, you'd be like, yes, I'm on board. Are you feeling that today? Right? We had a killer time. It was so much fun. So many great sessions. Did anybody see a bad session? Don't answer that. Don't answer that. So I just wanted to say it's been so fantastic to be with all of you, to interact with our partners, to interact with our participants. I'm luckier than all of you because I've gotten to do a bunch of interviews with some really cool people. And you'll be able to see those when they come up. Woo! That was amazing. Did anybody get injured? Don't tell me. Take it up with the boss. No, I'm going to bring Lindsay Jones back up, our CEO, and the big boss. Come on up, let's close this thing out. I'm going to stand with you. How about that? Is that cool? All right.
That would be great, Bryan. Thank you.
That was fantastic.
That was
right?
amazing. Jose, my God, song awesome. Thank you.
We got to talk about outfits next time, y'all.
Wow.
I feel like you're trying to upstage Lindsay. I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
Oh, I want to actually just say, I don't know. I was in one of those videos, and I want to steal the hat that I was wearing. You probably already hit it.
No,
away.
I know a guy. I know a guy about hats.
Okay. Good.
I might be able to hook you up.
Oh, good.
All right? Lindsay, if I were to ask you something, the one thing I would ask you is what's one thing that you took away?
Well,
Just one.
other than your incredible style.
All right, thank you. You're embarrassing me. Not really.
Just thank you so much for being here with us. What an amazing, wonderful group of people. There isn't just one thing I took away.
I know.
I mean, wow. I think that it's just, we do so much in our world on Zoom, which is great, and it is actually a meaningful way, and we work hard at it. But boy, it is great to be with people who see things in all different ways, and you can talk to them and think about them, and I've learned so much.
Yes.
And I just really thank you so much for coming. It was terrific to be with you. And I hope you'll be back next year. I think we're going to do it again.
You guys want to do this again? I think we probably should. I'm going to tell you the one thing that I took away, Lindsay. I took away that this is a human endeavor. And that everybody coming together just really kind of highlighted that. It's the UDL fam, and we're building up the UDL fam. Everybody, safe travels home. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you and your friends next year.
Yay.
All right.
Thank you.